Hi there, I'm John Leach, and you're watching Arc Fishing. Nice largemouth. Very nice largemouth. Nice largemouth bass. Nice largemouth bass. Alright, I'm going to release this beautiful muskie. 35-inch muskie. Catch and release. Oh yeah, baby. Woo! Welcome to another edition of Arc Fishing. I'm your host, John Leach. Today is Saturday, August 3rd, 2019. I'm down here on the lower Susquehanna River. I just launched out of Muddy Creek Access, and I'm going straight across. Normally I go down that way, and it's about a half-hour ride. You gotta go way down, go across, come up. But 2 years ago I was down here. I talked to the guy at Beach Bottom Marina. He owns the place, very nice guy. He told me about this place. He said you can cut straight across, but you gotta stay to the right. I just talked to the guy at the launch ramp, and he said stay between the red and green buoys. So that's what I've been doing. I'm doing 3.8 miles per hour. I'm trying to go as slow as I can without stalling my motor, and cut across here and get familiar territory. I'm in 12 feet of water, so that's good. I just do not want any boulders or rocks. That's my main concern. So this is probably going to save me a half-hour time, a half-hour boat ride. Hopefully I can get some nice smallmouth. Looks like the river's at normal level. It's mostly clear. It's sunny out, blue sky, some clouds. I don't see any rain. There are calling for rain, but I'm not seeing any storm clouds. So I'm hoping the fish is going to be phenomenal today. But there's 6 bass boats right in front of me, man. So I don't know if it's a bass tournament or just all these guys just have to know where the fish are at. Maybe they're fishing for stripers. I don't know. But I think I'm going to try and avoid them and find smallmouth. I really want to target smallmouth today. So I'm going to start out with a DT crawl crankbait. I might try some jerkbait, silver Senko, the Kraken crawl, maybe a green pumpkin swim jig. I'm going to try and focus on smallmouth lures, because that's what I really want to catch. Wow, 86 feet deep. That's crazy. Look at this. Look at that. Ooh, look, just hit 104 feet deep. 104 feet deep on a river, man. That's crazy. Wow. Oh, look at this, look at this. 116, 118, 120 feet deep. Wow. That's some seriously deep water, man. I hope you guys can see this, but I'm down here. This is my front fish finder on the front of my boat at the bow where the electric trolling motor is. But I'm down here in the lower Susquehanna River. I launched at Muddy Creek. Actually came down below Beach Bottom, and the surface temperature down here in the water is 90 degrees. Can you believe that? Today is August 3rd, 2019, and the river water is 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Is that crazy or what? I'm thinking these fish went down deep. I got 2 fish on the boat. I had 2 when I got off, and there was up in about 5 feet of water, and then the bite just turned off. I think these fish went down deep, so that's why I came down here. All right, unbelievable, man. 90 degree water temperature in the river. That's crazy. I expect that in the lake, but not a river. Dunks out of the boat. I had a small one on just like this earlier, and I had a nice 15, 16-incher. Both of them came off on me. This is the 3rd fish I had. All 3 came on the DT crawl. It's called the KVD 1.5, and the name of it's called DT crawl. I'm down here in the lower Susquehanna River. I just launched out of Muddy Creek Access. Let me measure them quick, throw them back. 12 inches. Alright, I'm going to throw them back. 12-inch smallmouth bass. Caught them on a KVD 1.5 DT crawl. Catch and release. Hold on a second. Alright, this is fish number 2 landed. Technically should be fish number 4. I lost the first 2. First 2, I came off halfway to the boat. Hold on a minute. Alright. This fish, smallmouth. Let me wait these jet skis go by. They're annoying. I'll keep going. Alright, smallmouth bass. 12.5-inch smallmouth bass, lower Susquehanna River, catch and release. I also caught him on the KVD 1.5 DT crawl. Got a piece of glass in my finger. Alright, rinse this off. There we go. They don't stop fighting. He's not big, but he's decent. I'm not gonna complain. I mean, he's getting skunks. I guess he's probably 12 or 13 maybe. Let's find out. There's no quit to him. He's 12 and a half. There's another 12 and a half. It's about between 12 and a quarter, 12 and a half. I'm just rounding off to 12 and a half. It's real close. So anyways, this is fish number 3. It should be fish number 5. Not complaining. I'm just saying I lost 2. He just bit me. But anyways, fish number 3 landed. 12.5-inch smallmouth bass. Again, the only thing I got him was a DT crawl. I was throwing a green pumpkin swim jig. I had 2 hits on it, but I think it was a little fish just like short striking it. But I've been throwing a silver Senko, a chatterbait, black and blue swim jig. I've been throwing, what the heck else did I throw? Cracking crawl, all kinds of stuff. The only thing I give them the only hit is that DT crawl, and every once in a while. But let me throw them back real quick. Catch it. Anyways, 12.5-inch smallmouth bass, catch and release. So this is the lure I'm using. I know I showed you up. I'll show you again. It's a KVD 1.5 square bill. It's called a DT crawl. I had 2 fish on when I first got it. It came off, and I landed 3 after that. I don't know why it's a bit tough bite in this river, but I think because my fish finder keeps saying that the water temperature is 90 degrees, which that's extremely hot for river water. I'd expect that in the lake, but not in a river. It's unreal. I don't understand it, but we'll keep fishing. I got 3 fish landing. I get skunks. At least I'm landing fish. You know, it's been a tough bite. It's really hot out too, man. Maybe that evening bite, as long as it don't rain. They're calling for thunderstorms. We had one small one come through. It was a real late. Actually, not a thunderstorm. It was a real late rainstorm. But it was no thunder, no lightning. I fished it, but I didn't catch nothing during it. I was hoping that was going to turn the fish on. If it rains some more, as long as it's not lightning, I'll fish in the rain. I have no problem doing that. But if it don't rain or thunderstorm, that evening bite might be the ticket. All right, I'm going to turn this camera off to conserve battery and card, especially since it's hot. I don't want this camera overheating. So if I catch another fish, I'll turn the camera back on. All right, let's. Fish number 4 in a boat. It's a dink, but you know what? There's a storm rolling in. I hope it's going to roll around me, but I don't know. It's not looking too good. I think there's more rain on the way. 10 inches. All right. Looking back for sure. All right. 10-inch smallmouth bass. Catch and release. Caught him on the KVD 1.5 DT crawl. That's 4 fish landed. And of course I lost another, so I'm 4 for 3. I landed 4 and lost 3. And I don't know, I'm hoping to keep fishing, but I think there's another storm rolling in. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to stay out in this one. This one's looking nasty.